Welcome to your YouTube channel again. This is Isan Kose from Kose Trading, and today we have another deassembling process for a beautiful product from Bang Olufsen. Today we have a remote controller. It's the most iconic remote controller from Bang Olufsen. It is the Beo 4 remote. Has been produced in many versions. I think there is three versions. We have the set, DTV, and we have also the joystick version, and we also have the limited edition where the keypad is light up as the cinema version. Today we're gonna do a deassembling process for this beautiful product. It is a very nice, heavy design premium feel to this remote controller. The remote controller is designed by the well-known designer David Lewis. The first production of the release of this remote controller is from '94, and it's only been made in a gray color. It's maybe have some limited editions I've never seen before, but this is a very common color. It's a gray version. There's 3 AA batteries inside this remote controller. Sometimes these batteries can pop out, and also these plastic fixtures can break off, so it needs to be held in place. The dimension is 25.4 times 3.8 by 2 centimeters. So it's it's nearly 300 grams for this heavy remote controller. And this remote controller can operate any Bang Olufsen systems out there. So it's very nice remote controller, and you can also customize it in different menus. And yeah, so let's start with the deassembling process for this one. First thing we need to do, we need to open the case. Sometimes this battery cover can be very hard. It only opens right here. Then you need to lift it up here, and it can maybe see click, but then you need to force it up. But this one is already broke, so these 2 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic pins is already broke off, so we're gonna leave it here. Then you need to we can remove the batteries, and it can be still it's not being operated anymore since we have removed the batteries. So we have some screws we need to remove. I think there's 4 screws we need to remove. Let's try to remove this piece here. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws we need to do. So let's take our screwdriver and see if we can remove it. No, I think we need to use another one. There we go. Also, this remote control is very iconic. Every Bang Olufsen owner has one, maybe have owned one. So yeah, so here we're gonna remove all the screws. Also, if you want to change the screen, I can also show you where it's gonna be, because the screen can be damaged or has some wear where you can be able to change it. So then we need to pop it up. I think we can just press here. Just press gently up, and you can remove it from the case. So here is the Beo 4 remote controller. It's the most heavy part is actually this one, I think. Yeah, it's fully aluminium. You can also see there's a lot of wear. You can clean it up if you want. So yeah, so let's try to see if we can cut, or maybe we can remove these 2 Actually, this is my first deassembly process for this remote controller, so it's also nice to see what we end with. So let's cut the cables to the battery connector, and then it's actually bolted with 8 bolts. So let's remove all of them. Also, most important thing we forgot is to check this on ground. We're working with electronics. Sometimes we forget. This one for the battery. No, it should be for the battery. Maybe for the ground connection. Here we go. Let's move on to the next one. Also, these cables are these remote controllers are very heavy and solid. It is very hard to break them. I think it's gonna be a very fast video. There's not a lot of parts into the Beo 4 remote controller, but this video is only for the educational level and also for demonstrating what inside the Beo 4 remote controller. Here we go. Let's put this here. So here is the, if you want to change, we also sell a lot of these keypads in our website. So if you want to change or even clean it up, you can also do that. So you just need to press it down. Also, do not push it too much, so you bend the aluminium. So just gently push, and then you can easily remove. Here we go. If you want to clean the remote controller, this is the most proper way to do it, because then you go all the way deep into the aluminium. Also, if you want to paint the aluminium front, you can also do that. So here we all have the dirt inside the remote controller, and here we have the keypad and the aluminium cover. Here is the main board, and here is the display. If you want to change the display, you just need to lift it up, and you can change it directly and push it back. So if you want to change the display, the connectivity is right here. It needs to be connected in this place. So if you need to do it the proper way, and here's the display, look like this. So you need to remove this one, place it here, and again this connection needs to be aligned right here. Here we go, like this. So we also have the display on stock, come in this piece like this. Take this one, put it here. Need to be aligned with the screw holes. Put it here. Move it a little bit back, and boom. And then you have a complete, fully working display. So we're gonna remove it. Here's the display cover, and the main board. We're actually done for the deassembling process. So let's line all the products out and the parts out and see what we have. So we are finally done with the deassembling process for the Beo 4 remote. It's actually just called Beo 4, not even a remote. So we have the batteries, 3x AA. We have the battery cover, look like this. Also these plastic tabs can easily break. we have the main board, look like this. Have the keypads, also you can change them, you can clean it up if you want. We have the display cover, aluminium cover for the keypad. We have the chassis housing for the battery. We have the display, look like this. And we have a bunch of screws and bolts. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can learn something how to deassembling your Beo 4 remote, clean them, or even paint the metal cover, or clean your keypads, or if you want to change your display, you can do that. And yeah, I hope you learned something. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.